Hi, I'd like to talk about getting your body to digest the food, the good food that you eat. Now, I think most people know that the better food you eat, the healthier your body is. And people have a lot of different ideas about eating good food and what that good food would be. It's obvious that people need to eat a lot of really great organic vegetables or even better biodynamic food. And they need to take in really great water also, very clean water, right? But I think it's assumed that when people digest good food, that their body then just naturally digests good food. And that's actually not true. Just because the food's good doesn't mean your body's capable of digesting it. It's two different things. There are different muscle groups in your body associated with Chinese medicine that are associated with different aspects of your digestion. So when you first eat food, your stomach goes into your mouth, your esophageal structure is going down into your stomach. Your stomach has to be able to take that food and mulch it up at a timely fashion so that it actually gets into your small intestine in a good condition to burn, so that when it's in your small intestine, your enzymes come from your pancreas and your fat comes from your gallbladder, and then your small intestine starts digesting your food, and then that creates heat, and that heat goes up and warms up your lungs, and then that food, if the small intestine is healthy enough, goes through the membrane of your small intestine into your bloodstream, and then it's disseminated around your whole body. So it's not just how good the food is, it's like how good are those systems at digesting your food. So there are very specific stretches that you can stretch to stretch your stomach meridian, muscle groups, that will facilitate how your stomach processes the food and prepares it to get it into your small intestine. There's stretches you can do that help your liver produce the bile that then gets stored in your gallbladder, that gets released so you can digest your fats. Those are specific muscle groups. And then there's specific muscle groups for your small intestine in order for the small intestine to then assimilate those nutrients into your body so that you actually can digest your food. I think it's a very neat thing to know that you could just stretch different muscle groups, and even kind of regardless of the quality of the food you ate, you could get a better absorption of that and better nutrients absorbed into your body from affecting the health of your organs by doing your different muscle groups. Now, the way you'll know whether or not these different organs are digesting your food, all you have to do is try those stretches and naturally stretch those muscle groups, meaning let your muscles contract while you stretch, and do those muscle groups and find out how flexible and strong those muscle groups are. And if they are, then you can decide if that's actually working for you to digest your food. How's that?
That's fantastic.
Okay.
Great.